In this presentation, we will try to understand how memory is allocated dynamically using calloc function. So let's get started. What is calloc, by the way? Calloc function is used to dynamically allocate multiple blocks of memory. So it is a built-in function that too declared in stdlib.h like malloc function, and this function is used to dynamically allocate multiple blocks of memory. It is different from malloc in two ways, let me tell you. The first is that calloc needs two arguments instead of just one. Here is the syntax of calloc. Calloc needs two arguments. The first argument represents the number of blocks and second argument represents the size of each block. As simple as that. So calloc needs two arguments instead of just one. In case of malloc, obviously one argument is required. Here in this case, two arguments are required. Here is a simple example of calloc allocating memory. Here you can clearly see calloc is allocating 10 blocks of memory and each block size is equal to the size of integer. An equivalent malloc call is like this, where you need to do this calculation. 10 is multiplied by size of integer. It means that 10 blocks of memory has been allocated where each block size is equal to the size of integer. Both are doing the same job, but here you can see the syntax is different. Now let's discuss difference number 2. Memory allocated by calloc is initialized to 0. It is not the case with malloc, let me tell you. Memory allocated by malloc is initialized with some garbage value, while in the case of calloc, it is initialized to 0. This is very important point, let me tell you. When memory is allocated by calloc, automatically all the blocks have been initialized to 0. Please note that malloc and calloc both returns null when sufficient memory is not available in the heap. Calloc stands for clear allocation and malloc stands for memory allocation. Here M stands for memory and C stands for clear. Okay friends, this is it for now. Thank you for watching this presentation.